pretty easy to change the fuel filters in this truck. It really takes a 19mm 3/4 inch wrench and a screwdriver, and probably a little extra diesel fuel. You got to fill up the filters after you replace them. I made that mistake and had to get it started with starter fluid and let it run a bit, and it was a little bit more of a pain. But I think if I filled them up after, that would have alleviated that. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. If you want to see more about this truck here, I'll probably be posting more videos this summer as I start running it with some gravel for the farm. And thank you very much. This is the truck that the engine's in. It's a 72 Ford dump truck. I'm using it to haul gravel with. It started having trouble accelerating in 4th and 5th gear beyond 1500 RPMs. Diagnosis is a hopefully fuel filter, so let's replace those and go from there. Super easy to replace. You basically just undo that bolt right there. You can see as I do it, it gets just coming down. I have to do it with 2 hands because I have to catch it here. But once you undo that bolt, this comes out. So there's the primary, secondary filter. This one's the sock filter. Looks like this. And then the other one looks like a regular cartridge filter that you would see. There's an O-ring on this one. Right around the edge here. Gotta pull it out. Replace it. I'm gonna use my knife because that's what I have on me, or you can use a screwdriver, but don't cut yourself if you're using a knife. There it is. There it is. Oops. So I'll stick the new one in. So there's an upside and a downside. This is the upside. The downside doesn't have this internal piece, and you'll notice it's going to be on a spring, so you can push it up and down a little bit. Now we just feed it back in. There's already some fuel in there. You may want to add. All right, that one's replaced. So now I'll take this one off. So I've been using a wrench, a 19mm wrench, to take them off, mostly because of this access point right here. You can't quite get in there with a socket. This one's easier to get in with a socket. Harder with a wrench because you got less travel because of this in the way. But you can get in on this side, or you can come in with the flathead or the open box on this side and get it. So now let's take this one off and go from there. So it comes with an O-ring and a replacement washer. The O-ring is tucked up underneath here, so we gotta pull that out, and this washer can replace underneath there. So I'm gonna do that right now. This cartridge filter is symmetrical top to bottom, so it doesn't really matter which way it goes. So it just goes in, put in like that, and then this goes. Hey, birthday party. That's his name, birthday party. My daughter named him. This goes like this, up like that. And with 2 hands, I can start the bolt, but I can't with 1 hand. So I'm gonna turn this off. Some people like to see the actual wrenching, so I'm gonna do that right now. It's not spinning, so I can do that. I'll feed this thing up. There's birthday party climbing around the engine while I do it. Just call him Birthday. Hey, Birthday. Birthday. Yeah, I know. Tighten down, basically till they're snug foot-pounds, and then try to start it.